The attack we had on the school bus in Tot last night ought not to have happened in the first place, because that school was in violation of government policy of moving children beyond 6 o'clock at night. The attack took place at 10:30. I've spoken with the Inspector General of Police this morning. You good people in education and the particular TSC will do your job after we have done ours. And I agree with the Inspector General. We will arrest that principal and he has to be prosecuted for violating public policy. Things are not in place just for the heck of it. They are there because we want to keep our children safe. Whether our kids are in Nairobi or in Nakuru or in Kisii or wherever they are, no school buses are supposed to be on the road beyond 6:30 in the evening, period. And in an area where we have an operation, it's much more important that we are more careful about the responsibilities that we have and about the safety of our kids. That does not mean that we are also not going to pursue the bandits as we ought to. We have an operation going on in that part of our country. In fact, I just came close to declaring curfew in that part of the country, just as I did in Lamu, so that it gives us an opportunity to limit movement and to be able to sort out some of the security issues there. I am going to the National Security Council to seek authorization of the council to declare the Pokot warriors and the Pokot movement there an outlawed organization, and we will categorize them the same way we categorize MRC and the terror groups that we have in the country.
If a bus is out beyond 6:30, it should go to the nearest police station and it should stay there. We have to protect the lives of our children.